Have you seen videos linked in the comment section of a TikTok and wondered how to post one yourself? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to post a video comment reply on TikTok. Now let's get started. First off, note that currently video comment replies can only be posted by the original creator, meaning that you cannot post a video comment on someone else's TikTok. Video replies are an awesome way for creators to answer questions, give a more lengthy response, provide additional information, or even to link to another part of a story time or other lengthy video that needs to be split into multiple parts. To post a video comment reply, first open the video you'd like to post a video comment on. Tap the comment icon. Then, find and tap the comment you want to reply to. At the bottom, tap Record. Then, record or upload your video as normal. The comment you're replying to will appear as a sticker overlay on the video. You can resize and move the sticker as you see fit. To have the sticker only appear on part of your video, tap it and select Set Duration. Then use the sliders below to select the start and end time of the part of the video where you'd like the comment sticker to appear. Finish editing your video, then tap Next. On the posting page, you'll see Reply To or Answer To, depending on whether the comment was posted as a regular comment or a question comment, along with the commenter's username. Once your video is posted, viewers can tap this part of your caption to view the comment on the original video. When you're done, go ahead and post your video comment reply. Your reply video will appear in the comment section of your original video, as well as on your main TikTok page. That's all it takes to post video comment replies on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.